I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
May ibig sabihin nga raw ang post ng ating Donnie Pangilinan na kung saan ang background music nito ay ibang language nga. Narito nga guys ang nasabing background music. Umani nga agad ito ng maraming komento. At ayon nga guys dito, he basically said that he wants to spend all his lifetimes with her. Not just this lifetime, all of it, in whatever universe or timeline. He wants her, he chooses her. I want what they have. At ayon pa nga guys dito, here's the English version of Donnie's song choice for his birthday greetings to Belinda. Ito nga guys ay words like tomorrow or future or fate na ang ibig sabihin nga raw ay no matter how far they extend their hands, we breath, we dream, we raise our love in a timeless land that is far out of reach. Even the second, our hands of the clock, they look at us sideways as they tick and tock. How I hope to have forever to spend this life, no, all future lives right here in this world with you. Marami na nga napapaisip kung ano nga ba ang meaning ng kanta sa post ni Donnie at talagang endgame na nga itong ating couple. At ayon pa nga guys dito ay malapit na tayo sa exciting part dahil ito na nga rin ang caption sa post ni Kuya RJ na pinsan nga ni Donnie Pangilinan. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating couple.